Alright, but I said I wanted to show you guys a little bit about extension and collection. That's a really complicated topic for some reason. We can talk all day long about what collection means. I think most of us will agree that extension means to send the horse forward, right? We're going to lengthen him, post his trot, let him speed up, use himself longer. Then when I want to collect him, I want to keep the impulsion in the back. I want to keep him moving real strong in the back, but I want to start picking up his face and shortening his frame. So I don't just want his head, I want him to shorten his entire frame. I want him to use his hips up under him, round his back, and bring his face to me a little bit. Why do I want him to do that? Well, when a horse is working with his head down and his back rounded, he's building what we call those top line muscles, those muscles along the top of his neck and back where I'm sitting. So we want those muscles nice and strong. When we let our horses go around with their heads in the air, he's not racing, this is a medium carriage, but if you've got a horse that likes to be up here with a real high head, I'll make them mess it up a little bit. They're hollowing through the back and getting weaker at those muscles. So anyway, at all three gaits, you got a walk, trot, and a canter. A walk, jog, lope if you're a Western. I want my horse to go forward. I'm going to wave my legs at him a little bit, maybe post a little bit bigger through my seat. When I want him to collect, I'll squeeze my legs a little bit, pick up my reins a little bit. I want him to keep the same rhythm. I don't want him to slow down. I just want him to take a shorter stride up under himself a little bit more.